Hi students, welcome to my channel Excellent Ideas in Education. Today we are going to solve the Stat 6 problem. The India Meteorological Department observes seasonal and annual rainfall every year in different subdivisions of our country. It helps them to compare and analyze the results. The table below shows subdivision-wise seasonal monsoon rainfall in mm in 2023. Based on the information given above, answer the following questions. You see the given table, rainfall and number of subdivisions. Number of subdivisions represents frequency. So we will take it as F here. First question, model class. You see the frequency 200 to 400 mm rainfall is 3, 400 to 600 mm rainfall is 4, 600 to 800 mm rainfall is frequency is 7, 800 to 1000 mm rainfall is 4 frequencies, 1000 to 1200 mm rainfall is 3 frequencies, 1200 to 1400 mm rainfall is 3 frequencies. You see the frequencies which is greatest, 7 is the greatest one. So what is the model class? Model class is 600 to 800. So 600 to 800 is the answer. Next, second question. Find the median of the given data. So median, we need to find the cumulative frequency. So the given is rainfall mm, number of subdivisions. First is given as 3. So we will write it as 3. After that, 3 plus 4 is 7. After 7 plus 7 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. 21 plus 3 is 24. Number of observations is 24. This is n. N by 2 is equal to 24 by 2 is 12. Now we got 12. You see the cumulative frequencies where it comes 12. 12 comes in between. This is 12. So we will take 7 and 14. You see here 12. 12 greater number is 14. So we will take this is as a median. So 600 to 800. What is the median formula? Median is equal to L plus, open the bracket, N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. What is L value? L is lower limit. You see here lower limit is 600 is the lower limit. So L is 600. Next N by 2 value we know 12. Next CF. This is the median class, right? The whole thing. So CF, cumulative frequency of preceding the median class. Preceding means before. So before is 7. Next is F. F is frequency. So frequency is, you see here, this is the median class. Frequency is 7. The number of subdivision, this is frequency. H. H is equal to class size. You see, this is the median class. 600 to 800. You have to minus 800 minus 600 is 200. This is the class size. Now we will find median. Equal to L is 600 plus, open the bracket, N by 2 value is 12 minus CF value is 7 divided by F is 7 into H is 200 equal to 600 plus 12 minus 7 is 5 by 7 into 200 equal to 600 plus 5 into 200 is 1000 divided by 7 equal to 600 plus this one we have to divide. 1 sevens are 7, 3, 4 sevens are 28, 2, 2 sevens are 14, 6, 8 sevens are 56, 4 40, 5 sevens are 35 goes on. So it comes 142.85 equal to 742.85 mm. This is median. So we will calculate another method also, or 600 plus 5 into 200 is 1000 divided by 7. Cross this and this. We will take common 7. 600 into 7 is 4200 plus 1000 equal to 5200 divided by 7 equal to 7 sevens are 49, 3, 4 sevens are 28, 2 sevens are 14 point, here is 6, 8 sevens are 56, 4, 5 sevens are 30. You see here, this and this is same only. You have to calculate this way also. Next, second B question. Find the mean rainfall in the season. Mean, we will take mean in this case. Number of subdivisions already we took frequencies, right? So Fi we will take. Xi, how we will calculate Xi? 200 plus 400, 600. 600 divided by 2 is 300. Next, 400 plus 600 is 1000 divided by 2 is 500. 600 plus 800 is 1400 divided by 2 is 700. We will take mean in this two. 800 plus 1000 is 1800 divided by 2 900. 1000 plus 1200 is 2200 divided by 2 is 1100. 1200 plus 1400 is 2600 divided by 2 is equal to 1300. Next, we will calculate Xi into Fi. Fi is number of subdivisions. Xi now only calculated. Multiply this 2. 3 into 300 is 900. 4 into 500 is 2000. 7 into 700 is 4900. 4 into 900 is 3600. 3 into 1100 is 3300. 3 into 1300 is 3900. Now we will calculate summation of frequency. Next, summation of Xi, Fi. Add this whole thing. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. 21 plus 3, 24. Next, summation of Xi, Fi equal to 0. This is 0. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. 27 plus 9, 36. 6, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. So, summation of Xi, Fi is equal to 18,600. What is the mean formula? Mean is equal to summation of Fi Xi divided by summation of Fi equal to 18,600 divided by 24. 2 table we will cancel. 12, 9 2s are 18, 3 0 0. Again 2 table 6. 4 2s are 8, 6 2s are 12, 5 2s are 10, 0. 1 6 are 6, 7 6 are 42, 4, 7 6 are 42, 3 is balance, 6 5s are 30. So 775. So means equal to 775 mm. This is the answer. Next, third question. If a subdivision having at least 800 mm rainfall during monsoon season is considered a good rainfall subdivision, then how many subdivisions had good rainfall? At least 800 means it should be equal to 800 or more than 800. This and this and this. Number of subdivisions had good rainfall. So they asked subdivisions, right? So we will take 4 plus 3 plus 3. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. So 10 is the answer for this question. I hope you understood this explanation. Like the video. Thanks for watching this video.